Okay, what we're going to make today is called a versatile star. You need 8 squares, and you're going to start with the white side up. First you want to fold it in half, and crease it pretty well. Unfold it, fold it in half the other direction. And unfold it. You should have cross now. And now you want to do diagonally in both directions. First one, unfold it, then the other. Okay. Next, you want to take one corner and fold it to that center point that you've made. Do the same thing with the opposite corner. Now, with the part that is on the right, what we want to do is fold these edges along the center line. And sometimes that's just rolling it around a little bit until you can get it lined up on that center line all the way to the top, and crease it. Then do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this is what you have. Now you want to fold it in half. Just flip the one side over, crease it, and then this bottom point where there aren't the folds, so this is the empty area, you've folded it in half. You want to fold this across, and it will line up with this little line right here and basically fold on that fold. So, just want to do that, and crease it, and take this point that's sticking off. You want to fold that up to its other corner, like that. Crease it, kind of hard to crease now. And then just that part that you folded up, you want to fold down to meet that bottom corner, crease it in the middle, and then you want to unfold that. Now, this is the hardest part. You just want to kind of open this piece up, which of course is not very easy. Okay, so I'm opening this up again, and I want to fold it down so it meets, but it's going to look like a square now. Now, you want to do the same thing with all the other 7 pieces, and then to attach them, what you're going to do is put, this is just Tombow glue, I'm using the small point. You want to flip up this little flap, put just a tiny little dot of glue. Okay, after you've got your dot of glue, you just want to slide this in with those points together and along the center. And you do that all the way around. You can tell I've already done this. Now, put a dot of glue here to slide this piece in. And as always, the last piece is always the most difficult to get in. So, what I need to do is lift this piece up, put my dot of glue, and then fold that one back down to fit. Now, after it dries, you're going to have, this is one side of the star that you can use, this is the other side. Now there are some other things that you can do with this, but this is all we're going to do today. So this is your versatile star.